Hi there, this is Jim Collins, and I just wanted to share how excited I am to be doing this full-day workshop. First time I've ever done a full-day workshop of this type in Chicago on October 17, and I'm just thrilled to be partnering with my longtime friends and great allies in bringing great ideas to the world at the Growth Faculty. The sessions are going to be highly interactive. I will weave in teachings from all of our research into what makes great companies tick, drawn from our work in such books as Good to Great and Built to Last and Great by Choice and How the Mighty Fall. And I will be challenging you and your teams to engage with the ideas and to engage with each other, working on such questions as, what is our flywheel? How does our flywheel turn? How are we doing at level 5 leadership? How should we think about first who and the right people on the bus? And other concepts that have come from our work, expanding the hedgehog concept, making sure that we remain focused on the things that we can be passionate about, best in the world at, and that drive our economic engine. And so I hope that you will bring your brains, that you will bring members of your team, that you will come ready to engage, that you will come ready to learn, and then walk away prepared to put the ideas to work, to turn good companies into great companies, and to make great companies built to last. We'll see you there. I'm looking forward to it. Jim Collins here.